You'll never see a properly trained chef holding a chef's knife like this. What we do is called the pinch grip. Simply take your index finger and thumb and bring it right across the knife like this, where you're pinching the base of the blade of the knife. Then your other 3 fingers should fall naturally behind the handle, and what this will do is make the blade an extension of your hand and arm. Use an empty cutting board and simply do a few practices with slicing your knife. Once you've mastered the way to hold the knife, the next thing I want to talk about is our other hand, the hand that's going to hold the food you'll be cutting. Make it a practice to never ever have your fingers straight out like this. You always want to be making a claw shape with your hand. That goes for anything, anytime you're cutting. The easiest way to spot a beginner is when their hand is like this or like this when cutting. This right here is eventually going to chop a finger off. Instead, if you're using this claw method, keeping that middle finger as the frontmost part that's guiding your knife, you can use it as a guide and you have a much less likely chance of actually cutting your hand. And on top of this, it really does help as a guide to get those perfect knife cuts. You'll also notice that when I cut, I'm not chopping the knife down like this.